Thursday, the 4th of August, and our thought today is open heart. Open heart. My heart is open to the flow of life. On a clear day, the ocean surface provides only a glimpse of the activity beneath the surface. Beneath the water, life makes its home in myriad ways. Like the depths of the ocean, my heart is filled with countless energies, love, compassion, and so much more. My heart also remains open to new experiences as part of the continual ebb and flow of life. I gently allow each experience to flow into my open heart. Then, like the tide rising and falling in tandem with the moon, I feel the gentle pull of God's love calling me inward to bless me, then flowing outward from my heart center to bless others. Whether receiving or giving, my heart is open to the flow of life. Matthew's Gospel, chapter 5, verse 8 says, "Blessed are the poor in heart, for they will see God."